So whenever you are using Microsoft Excel, there will be times when you will be copying a large amount of numerical data from one worksheet to another. So whenever you will do that, you will face this kind of issue wherein each numerical cell, or the cell which has the numerical value, will have these green triangles on the top left corner. So how to get rid of them? The reason being, if you click on the error, it shows that number stored as text. So, and even if you will see in the bottom, sum equals to 0 is basically reflecting that the number is not considered as the number because it is stored as the text. So you cannot compute, or you cannot apply any arithmetic operations like multiply, addition, subtraction. So how to convert them into number when you have a large amount of such numbers which are stored as text? So how will you do that? Well, this is very simple. The easiest way is to have one cell which will have the value 1, and what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the entire thing with this value. So while you just have to copy this, and you have to select all the values where, or the cells where the numerical value is there, and you just have to go to this paste which is under this home, and then click on it, and there you will see this paste spatial, and there you can just click on multiply. So what will happen is each of these cells which are selected will be multiplied by that number which is 1. And what will happen is, since you have multiplied all the selected cells with 1, now these values have become a number. So this is the shortest and easiest way to convert all the cells into a number. So that saves you a lot of time. So this is how you convert numbers which are stored as text in your Microsoft Excel worksheet into a number, so that you can apply arithmetic operations or whatsoever you want to do with the number. So this is the correct approach which saves you a lot of time, and it can be applied on large amount of numerical values. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.